Okay, so for science and social studies this week, I think I'm a little more organized this time around. So this week we're talking about patriotism. Patriotism is a really important part of our culture and our country. So here's your patriotism thing. And I wanted just to point out a few really important things. Next week we'll talk about patriot symbols, but things that we do to show our patriotism. We a lot of places have the American flag out, and that's important because as Americans, we identify with the red, the white, and the blue. And the parts of this flag that are really important, there are 50 stars and there are 13 stripes. The stars represent the states we have now. The stripes represent the original colonies that we had. And then we stand up and we do the national anthem and we do the pledge. And those are also very important. And then we also have a Flag Day, which is June 14th. And then we celebrate Independence Day on the 4th of July. You know the Pledge of Allegiance. We do it every morning here at school, and we talk about how we are showing respect and honor to that. And a pledge is a promise. A pledge says to the country that we are here to respect you, we are here to honor you, we are here to do as what Americans do, which is one of the things we did last week. We voted, and we did our job as Americans to tell people what we think is right and what we think needs to change or doesn't change. And then we also have some patriotic songs. So we listen to the national anthem, and we also listen to America the Beautiful, and My Country 'Tis of Thee. And so then what I want you to do is write 3 things that you love about being an American. One of the things that the kids said in class was they are thankful that they can worship God. A lot of countries, you can't do that. They also like that they can choose the school that they go to. A lot of girls are not allowed to go to school in several countries. So it's really cool. We also talked about the state of the United States of America coat of arms. And these little captions, we talked about captions in our Zoom. These captions tell you a little bit about the coat of arms. And then you can color it. If you look it up, these are like stripes. This is blue. It's a bald eagle, so it has brown and black feathers. These are arrows, but also an olive branch. So just take a little look and color it, and I think you'll like that. Today we did the words to America the Beautiful, which is a wonderful song. And it's, oh, beautiful for spacious skies, for amber waves of rain, for purple mountains' majesty above the fruited plains. America, America, God shed his grace on thee, and crown thy good with brotherhood from sea to shining sea. And here this one actually does not have a picture. I'm not sure why they put that in there. So we drew an American flag in that little spot. So you'll cut these out, glue them in to make it fit the song. And then here. All right. So that is social studies for this week. Science this week was really fun, and we're going to be doing science. We switched over to life science, which means we're going to be talking about things that are alive, which is really fun. So this first week is just about living things. Draw me a picture here on the bottom of something that's living and what it needs. And then you can go through and talk about the living things and how things are, why we consider them living and why we don't consider them living. And then you'll have this. It's a cut and paste of living and non-living. So read the words, cut them and glue them where they belong. Those are both grades for science. If you find something living that you want to share with me on Tuesday, I would love to talk about it. And then the following week, we're going to be getting into plants and other things like that. So plants, animals, other living things, all kinds of fun stuff. So that's all I have for science and social studies. I hope you have a good time with all of this. And then I hope that you learn a lot through this, because it's a fun thing to look at America, and it's a fun thing to look at the life and the living things that are. You can hear, I don't know if you can hear or not, but my bunny, she's trying to drink water. And that's something she needs. She needs the resources of water. She needs air. She needs shelter and safety and food. Those are all important things for something that's alive. A rock does not need those things. A rock can just exist. But living things move and breathe and change, grow. Those are all important things. So that is your science. That is your social studies. See you later.